Sitting here at work, taking a break, and no, my phone's not crooked. I'm actually sitting on a hill. Huh. Anyway, about to burn up. It's hot today. I was sitting there playing on my phone. So anyway, I'll just get right to the point. I'm gonna ask you guys for some help. But before anybody even says anything, it's not what you're thinking. I don't want your money. I don't want you to give me anything. But what I do need is, I was looking at my studio for my YouTube channel, and I noticed my watch hours are really low. What I mean by that is I haven't monetized my channel because you need 4,000 watch hours, which is a lot. I mean, especially for a little small channel like mine, that's a whole lot. But, at first I wasn't worried about it, but you know, I figured if I'm gonna do this, I might as well make a 5 or 10 cents off of it, whatever I'd make. It won't be much. But back to what I was saying, what I need y'all's help from. There goes some deer. Yes, I'm distracted again. What I need y'all's help about, if and only if you have good Wi-Fi at your house, or you own a good data plan. Now don't do this if you own unlimited data. Don't do this. But if you own like unlimited data, or you got good Wi-Fi, like at nighttime when you go to bed, or any time, but you know, it'd probably be better for you, like say when you go to bed at night, if you would just start my playlist and let it run through, that really build up my watch time, my watch hours, and it won't cost you a dime, other than just a little bit of electricity to run your computer or whatever, which shouldn't be nothing at all. But yeah, that would help me a lot. I'm a long ways from it. What did I see? I just looked at it a few minutes ago. I think I got 1,394 or something like that. 1,300 something. That's a long way from 4,000, but you know, if I could get a few people to run my playlist at night, and I don't know what that would add up to be. That'd be a couple hours anyway, wouldn't it? But anyhow, that's what I'm asking for. I'm rambling. My brain's old rusty wheel in here squeaking, but yeah, that's the favor I need. That's the help I need. Again, before anything comes of this, I'm not asking for money. I'm not asking for you to give me anything. That's not it. I just asking if you would run my playlist at night. It's like, say when you go to bed or whatever. Just turn the volume down and let it play through. And that really boost up my watch hours. So if you could do that, that'd be awesome. If you can't do it, don't worry about it. I'm really not that concerned. I was just sitting here thinking, because you know, like I said, I do this channel for friends and family and all that. But now I'm sitting here, you know, watching some other channels on my break here. And I got thinking, well, if I'm going to do this, I might as well make, you know, $2 or $3 off of it anyway, make something off of it. So yeah, my goal is to get this channel monetized. So if I could get your help, you know, again, it's just a simple question. If you don't want to do it, it ain't no problem. I'm not going to get mad and ban you and all that silliness. But if you could do it, that'd be great. So yeah, hope everybody's day is going good. I'm still distracted by this deer over here because it keeps walking closer to me. But, well, as soon as I said that, it goes in the woods. Oh well. Anyway, yeah, I hope y'all having a great day. I'm going to have to make this kind of short because I'm on my little break. I'm trying to think real quick. Old rusty wheel squeaking. I think I got two and a half more weeks before I hit the road. Something like that. Maybe 3 weeks. 2 or 3 weeks. The end of the month. We'll just put it that way. So I'm kind of excited about that. Kind of, you know, I always get a little nervous because it's like doing it the first time. Because, you know, I stay here. I don't travel like I used to. Now I kind of stay in my home area during the summer, which is, you know, 4 or 5 months, 3 months, whatever. So I kind of get settled in again. So that initial first week of taking off on the road, it's just like doing it for the first time. I think I've got everything ready. I've gone through my truck, fixed pretty much everything that I would think would break down on me. Got the little old travel trailer about ready to go. I was going to start painting on it. I think I'm going to go ahead and paint the inside. I was going to start on that, but I believe I'm going to do that on the road, kind of, you know, give me a little something to do there. And it won't take long. Small as it is, it won't take me very long. But yeah, I believe I got everything about ready. I know I need to pick me up two spare tires for my trailer. I had one and it blew out on me, and I've used it and I never replaced it because I've been parked at this RV park. So I need to get, you know, replace it and then give me an extra one just in case. Yeah, other than that, I'm just about ready to go. But anyhow, I'm going to get off here because my brake banded soon. I just want to jump on here and say hi to my family and friends, subscribers, and kind of ask you for that little favor there. And yeah, I'll be back on here later. But until I see you again, God bless you.